Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and gathering assets. Open settings to check OS and free storage. Make sure battery optimization won't kill the wallpaper. Next, pick your source, an app, a video file, or an animated GIF, so you know the format you'll use. Once done, install the chosen app or move your media to a clear folder and grant storage and overlay permissions. This immediate setup avoids interruptions later and gets you ready for configuring the live wallpaper. You now import and refine the media in the Wallpaper app. Crop or resize to match your screen resolution and set a loop point so motion looks seamless. Trim excess length to reduce CPU load. Then adjust playback options, frame rate and speed, for a balance of smoothness and battery use. Make sure touch or motion reactions are enabled if you want interactivity. Finally, set quality and battery saver options. These changes control how often the wallpaper updates and determine power impact. You're ready to apply the live wallpaper. Use Preview to confirm placement on home or lock screens, then set it. After applying, monitor battery and performance for a few minutes. If you see lag or high temperature, lower quality or frame rate to stabilize things. If the wallpaper fails to show, recheck overlay and storage permissions, ensure the file format is supported, and clear the app cache. One key troubleshooting tip: disable aggressive battery optimization for the Wallpaper app to prevent it from stopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.